Johnny Crow's Garden, a picture book, drawn by L. Leslie Brooke. Johnny Crow would dig and sow, till he made a little garden. And the lion had a green and yellow tie on, in Johnny Crow's garden. And the rat wore a feather in his hat, but the bear had nothing to wear, in Johnny Crow's garden. So the ape took his measure with a tape, in Johnny Crow's garden. Then the crane was caught in the rain, in Johnny Crow's garden. And the beaver was afraid he had a fever, but the goat said, "It's nothing but his throat," in Johnny Crow's garden. And the pig danced a jig, in Johnny Crow's garden. Then the stork gave a philosophic talk, till the hippopotami said, "Ask no further, what am I?" While the elephant said something quite irrelevant. And the goose, well, the goose was a goose, in Johnny Crow's garden. And the mouse built himself a little house, where the cat sat down beside the mat, in Johnny Crow's garden. And the whale told a very long tale, in Johnny Crow's garden. And the owl was a funny old fowl, and the fox put them all in the stocks, in Johnny Crow's garden. But Johnny Crow, he let them go, and they all sat down to their dinner in a row, in Johnny Crow's garden. Goodbye.
Hi, if you like this video, please give this a like and hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a new video.